This is a buzzer. Normally, when I connect both of its pins directly to a battery, it produces a steady, continuous sound like this. But today, I'll transform this buzzer so it sounds completely different, almost like a siren effect. Curious? Let's build it step by step. For this project, I'll be using a 12-volt relay. First, I'll fix it onto my working space with double-sided tape so it stays firm while soldering. A relay is an electromechanical switch that allows us to control circuits in unique ways, and in this project, it will make the buzzer sound more dynamic. Next, I'll apply a little solder to all of the relay's pins. This helps ensure clean, strong, and reliable connections when we attach other components. Preparing the pins properly makes a big difference in circuit performance. Now I'll apply some solder to the positive pin of the buzzer and connect it to the normally open pin of the relay. This means the buzzer will only sound when the relay coil is energized, giving us the switching effect we're aiming for. Here I have a 1000 UF capacitor, which will control the timing and delay in the relay switching. I'll carefully solder its two legs across the relay coil pins, making sure the negative pin of the capacitor is connected to the buzzer's line while the positive pin goes to the common pin of the relay. Capacitors are polarity sensitive, so getting this right is important to avoid damage. Now for the power connections. I'll solder the negative wire of the 12-volt battery to the negative pin of the capacitor. Then I'll connect the positive wire of the battery to the normally closed pin of the relay. With this setup, the relay will keep switching rapidly, creating a pulsing effect in the buzzer's sound. And now our circuit is complete. When I connect the battery, you'll notice the buzzer no longer makes a boring, continuous tone. Instead, it produces a unique, pulsating sound, almost like an emergency siren. The relay coil constantly switches between its normally closed and normally open states, while the capacitor charges and discharges to control the timing. This rapid switching interrupts the buzzer's power supply, creating that fascinating on-off sound effect. This type of circuit can be used in alarm systems, doorbells, DIY sirens, or warning indicators where you need more attention-grabbing sounds than a plain buzzer. With different capacitor values, you can even change the pitch and speed of the sound. So if you ever thought a buzzer could only make one sound, this project proves otherwise. Stick around because we're just scratching the surface of what's possible with simple components like relays, capacitors, and buzzers.